Hello, everybody. This is Trish from Crazy Engine Treasures, and I am sitting in my craft room in my house in Siemens. No, I have not moved here yet, but I've gotten more stuff on the walls, as you can see behind me. More of my paintings, and more of my paintings, and gotten more stuff unpacked. And I'm just taking a break, and I figured I'd come and say hi. So, hi, everybody. This is vlog number 6. And what is on everybody's hook? I am making a basket. Oops, I left it downstairs. It's going to be a project basket with a little pouch in it for my hook and a pair of scissors. Because I have one. I made one already and I love it. I absolutely love it. I carry it everywhere. So I decided I needed another one. So that's what I'm doing. I am busy making it. I'm using my Clover 7mm. 2 strands of 4-weight all at once. And a green and a beige. I couldn't even tell you where I got this yarn. Probably from one of my trips to, I got it second or third hand from somebody. If I don't know what the yarn is, what kind of content of fibers it is, I generally like to make baskets out of that. So I put them all aside, my unknown yarn, and I do stuff like that with them. Because I like baskets. I have a storage cube here with no baskets in it. I can make baskets for it. Square baskets. So, yeah, that's all I'm doing. It's been quiet out here. Let me see. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday? It's September 1st. Yes, it's Wednesday. And we've been here since the weekend. I got here Friday. And really went to work. As you can see, my husband's hobby room is almost cleared out of boxes. There's obviously a clear path to the window. He's got a table set up with his computer. And that's our stereo system. Our tune library. All of our tunes are on that computer or on that desktop. So that's what we use for tunes when we want music. And let me see, what else have we? Oh, my husband planted 4 blueberry bushes for me. I'm going to have to do a video of our yard. But I've got 4 blueberry bushes planted. 3 the same, 1 different. Would have been nice if I had 2 and 2, but unfortunately, no. So I have 3 and 1, but that's okay. They'll still produce. And let me see. The Saskatoon berry bushes are doing fine. The choke cherries are doing fine. Tomatoes are still growing. We've been under a thunderstorm watch. We were under a severe thunderstorm watch last night. Came through it okay. No damage outside. And right now, I'm just working in the round. I've done increases, and now it's just working in the round. Just spiral. Make it as big as I want. That's how stiff it is. Nice, good base for a basket. So let me see what else. The puppies are doing okay. Mudfoot's doing awesome. Punta Puppy is doing awesome. And so is my service dog, Gus. They love it out here. I sit on 2 lots of land, and we don't have a fence yet, so it's not fenced yard. And then there's a field right across the back alley. And we were actually on the outskirts of town. We're the second last house on Main Street heading out of town. And so there's not a lot of traffic. There's not a lot of our back alley doesn't get used a lot at all. And so quite often we're tossing the ball back and forth, and Gus, being a retriever, likes to retrieve. So yeah, he's just loving the yard, and Mudfoot and Punt are loving the yard, so they love it out here. So yesterday I drove to Saskatoon with a friend to get her banking done, and drove back, and while I was there I checked on our rental, and I went and I fed the cats, cleaned out their litter box, gave them loves because they needed hugs. So I gave Samhain lots of loves. He's the black one. White one, Solstice, was just fine. Oh, you're here. Damn. But no, not Samhain. Samhain came up and said, Mom! Mom! So, yeah. I got to spend some time with the kitties. And on the weekend, we'll head on back. We're here for a week because my husband had a week off of work, and we figured we could get a lot done. We have not been sanding the floor. That's one thing that hasn't gotten started again. But we've come to the sad realization that we are not going to be in this house before winter. We're just not going to get the furnace. We're not going to have the funds to get the furnace before winter. So we have decided to rent over the winter. We're in talks with the landlord just down the back alley. He has a duplex, and our friends are renting one side, so we'll look at renting the other side. And we'll rent it over the winter and work on the house on the nice days when it's not so cold out, because it's easy walking back and forth. I told my hubby he's got to get the snowblower out and make a path. So we'll see if he does. But I put the idea out there. So we'll see. Let me see what else is new and exciting. Really not much. I thought I had my curtain done and brought it here, and it's wide enough, but it's not quite long enough. It needed that much more, so I undid the knot, added more yarn. So that's on the hook. That's on a hook right now. Finished my wind spinner. Got that somewhere. I'm not exactly sure where I put it. What else do I have? Oh, I finished my son's blanket. Turned out really, really, really nice. Let me go get it. Oh, so this is my son's blanket. Purple is his favorite color. So I made a purple blanket, varying shades of purple, and then I did a border, and I'll show you the border. This is all done in the Modern Granny stitch. This is a Modern Granny rectangle blanket. It's a nice warm blanket for him. But I did the border in a regular granny, and I did it in that black sparkly yarn I got from Mary Maxim. So yeah. He will love it. Yeah, I still have stuff to do there. I'm thinking of putting I have a workbench, and I have another desk coming. And I'm thinking of putting the desk out this way and then having this chair back there and my workbench right here. And then this is all my work area. Just here and here. Then over on this side, I could put that wire shelf that I just built. You know, those 4 cubes I told you in the other vlog? I think I did. I built them, added them all together, and I could put them against that window, that wall there. There's no window. And make that side of my craft room all yarn and yarn related. So that's the plan. I don't know how it's going to fit because I don't measure anything. Like my husband says to measure it and add it all up and do math. And yeah, that's not going to happen. Me do math? Not unless you absolutely make me. So I'll just move everything in and cuss a lot and get everything fitted in somehow. Yes, it'll work. I really do want my workbench there though. So my workbench is going to go against this wall here, right beside the window. And this desk might move a little bit over that way. And yeah, so we'll see. We'll see if it works. I have a little storage cubby over there, built into the wall and under the eaves of the house. And that's getting full of boxes, like my mom's china and my mom's art and stuff that's not for me. But if you want, you know, a full 12-piece set of Old Country Roses china, call me. We'll talk. Or get your people to call my people and we'll talk. I don't know. I don't care how it does. Just if you're interested, let me know. So yeah, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. It's getting there, slowly but surely. We are. It'll get there eventually. It might take a while, but I'll get it there. It's just I won't get in here before winter now, and that makes me a little sad. But on the other hand, it's just a big stress off my mind because now I can just let that stress of trying to get that hot water heater before Christmas just go. It's just gone. It's not going to happen, so let it go. Big breath in, big breath out, let it go, and worry about the stuff that I possibly can do before winter. And that's a hot water heater and renting a new place and moving out of that place in Saskatoon. So we can get a new place for the same, for half price, half of what we're paying in Saskatoon for rent. And sorry, that was the broom. You bumped into it and it fell. Dog scared himself. So yeah, I'll worry about moving here. That's just more realistic. And now I know my time frame, so I'll make sure I'm out of Saskatoon by hopefully the middle of October. And we'll live here until we can't live here no more. And hang on, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I had to call my dog. My dog disappeared on me, and he's not supposed to disappear on me. So I had to go and get him, call him back. So he gets bored sitting with me sometimes, but that's his job. He's supposed to sit with me. Yeah. I'm going to head this short soon anyway because the dogs need to go outside. They had their breakfast a little while ago. So it is soon time to let them go outside, run around in the yard, Play some catch. Gossifer? Okay, you stay there. He's lying outside, right outside the door. At the top of the stairs. He likes to lie there. So yeah, what's on your hog? How has your week been? Like I said, my week's been fine so far. I've been enjoying myself out here. Trying hard not to work too hard. But trying to stay steady and get some stuff done, which I have been doing. You can see I've got some more stuff packed up on these shelves. Unpacked on these shelves. And like I said, there's a whole bunch of boxes that you can't see that have been moved into storage where they're supposed to be. So that's nice. And my husband's got his room starting to look better. I've got the yard looking better. He's been working on his man shed out back, organizing that so that when we do move out of Saskatoon, we have stuff to be put into. We can put stuff in the storage shed for now. Don't necessarily have to put it in the house, which is nice because I don't necessarily want to put stuff down. I really want to get that living room floor done before I start bringing in living room furniture. So, yeah. But other than that, I'm going to wrap this up. I hope everybody has had a really good week. I hope you continue to have a good week. I hope everybody is that's awfully bright. That's better. That's better. Okay, sorry about that. Not like just stopping my thought in mid-sentence and boom. See, that's what I call train wreck. Other people call them squirrels, I call them train wrecks. That's when a thought was clearly organized and I was going from point A to point B and then boom, I got swiped by another train. So, yes. What was I doing before that thought about the brightness? Oh, you might see I've seen some new graphics. I have cocktails with Coco. Cocktails and crochet with Coco to thank for that. She is a genius and she made my new logo and I love it. And I opened a shop in Teespring. You'll find my Teespring link in my About tab. But yeah, head there. I've got t-shirts, I've got tank tops, I've got tote bags, I've got stickers, and I got a coffee mug and a steel tumbler. I don't have a lot of products. But my logo's so damn cute. It's so damn cute. I just love it. I had to stick it on things. So yeah, that's new and exciting for me. So I've slapped that everywhere. Had to put my graphics everywhere. I just love them. Thank you again, Coco. I love it, love it, love it. Darn flies. Anyway, rather than just have you guys stare at me while I do nothing but silently swear at flies in my head, I'm just going to go. So have a good weekend, everybody. Have a good week. And have a super weekend when it comes. It's a long weekend this weekend because it's Labor Day. So have a super long weekend. And stay safe. Peace. Love. See you, everybody. Bye.